What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm pruning and planting 2 fruit trees in containers. This is a Bartlett pear tree and this is a pineapple pear tree, and I'm planting both of these in 20-gallon storage containers. And something that I forgot to mention while I was planting the apple tree is make sure you put drainage holes in all of your containers before you start planting. Make sure you do this first, because if you don't put drainage holes, that's gonna hold a ton of water and your tree is gonna die. So check it out. As you can see, this is our pineapple pear tree and we already pruned this one. You check it out. It doesn't have any branches crossing each other. It's nice and open. Doesn't have any low branches that's gonna waste energy. So all our tree's energy is gonna focus on these strong and healthy branches. So that's perfect. Now this one is what we have to prune today. You see? Check it out. It has branches crossing each other, which, by the way, you can also fix this. If you pull this out like this, you can fix this. And a great time to prune your fruit trees is when they're young, so that way you can kind of train the way you want them to grow before they start to get too big. So today we're going to be planting our fruit trees in cocoa mixed with compost. It's compost, cocoa. So we're going to plant our pineapple tree first because it's already pruned. Check this out. So check it out, we got our pineapple pear tree planted in a 20-gallon storage container. And the great thing about planting your fruit trees in containers is that you could just pick it up and move it. So if you see this area is not getting enough sun, you can just move it over here. If this area is getting too much shade, you can move it over here. So now that we're done planting our Bartlett tree in a 20-gallon storage container, now it's time to start pruning. 3 reasons pruning your fruit trees are important. The first reason is to increase airflow. So you see these branches right here that are just growing into each other and that are crossing, you want to take these off. See this one right here? It's growing into this branch. Let's take this off. And the reason you want to increase airflow in your fruit trees is so you decrease the chances of your fruit tree catching a disease. The second reason pruning fruit trees is important is to stop diseases from spreading through your whole tree. So if you have a disease from right here to here, you just cut that branch off and that will stop the disease from spreading through your whole tree. And the third reason is to stop our tree from wasting energy on small, weak branches. So we want to take these off. And when you prune, you want to make sure you get close to the branch, because if you don't, you see this small branch right here? This is going to have new growth on it, and this is going to be a waste of energy for your tree. That's why you want to make sure you get as close as you can, just like that.